Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? As you know that we have started chapter number 2, plants and their system. Today our topic is transport in plant. Roots and stems are plant's organs which contain the transport system of a plant. Transport system of a plant have thin tubes which carry liquids up and down the plants. There are two kinds of tubes, xylem and phloem, and they are collectively known as vascular tissue. Xylem tubes carry water and minerals in solution form from the soil up to the parts of the plant above the ground. Xylem have thickened, strong walls which help the xylem to support the plant. Xylem is a dead tissue in plants such as tree. New xylem is made each year, forming a ring in the trunk. Xylem is wood. The word xylem comes from the Greek word xylon, which means wood. Phloem tubes are made from living cells that are joined end to end. Phloem tubes carry sugar solution from the leaves, where it is made during photosynthesis, to every other part of the plant. There are holes at the end of each phloem cell, so sugar solution can pass through it. Sugar solution can go both up and down a phloem tube at the same time. Xylem and phloem tubes are bundled together in a vascular bundle. Students, in plants such as tree, new xylem is made each year, forming a ring in the trunk. You can see these are the ring in the trunk and they are the xylem. Xylem is derived from the Greek word xylon, which means wood. Xylems are dead tissue while phloems are alive tissue. Student, our next topic is inside a root. This is a root and it shows its internal structure. Now we are going to study the internal structure of root. We can see that inside the root there are xylem, and this is xylem and these are the phloem, and there is a root tip, and root tip is protected by the root cap, and there are root hairs. This xylem transport the water and dissolve minerals to all parts of the plants. Root absorb it from the soil, and then through the xylem of the root it transport to the stem, and through the xylem of the stem it is transported to the flower and leaves. This is phloem. Sugar from the leaves move down to all parts of the plants through phloem tubes. Sugar is used by the cells of the roots in respiration. This is the growing tip. Growing cells at the growing tip grow the root. The growing tip is protected by the root cap, and the extension of the epidermal tissue of the root are known as root hairs. These root hairs give surface area to take in water and minerals from the soil. This is the red radish, and red radish is the part of the plant that is the root. We can say that this is the root of this plant. This all is the part of the plant that is known as root. You can see that these are the root hairs. Root hair gives surface area to absorb water and dissolve minerals from the soil. These white thin lines that appear as lines, actually they are the vascular bundles that consist of xylem and phloem. Next we have to do test yourself. Question number 1. What is a transport system? The answer is, a transport system enables water from the soil that is absorbed by the roots and food from the leaves to be moved to the rest of the plant. Question number 2. What is a vascular bundle? The answer will start from this line. Xylem and phloem tubes are bundled together in vascular bundle. Question number 3. How are xylem and phloem tissues A same, B different? Xylem and phloem tissues are same, part A, because they are the thin tubes that carry liquids up and down the plant. and xylem and phloem tissues are different. Part B. Xylem is dead while phloem is alive. Question number 4. Explain how xylem tubes help support a plant. The answer will start from this line. Instead of this, you have to write xylems have thickened strong walls which help the xylem support the plant. Xylem is a dead tissue in plants such as tree. New xylem is made each year, forming rings in the trunk. Xylem is wood. Question number 5. What happens at the root tip? The answer is root tip is where the root grows. Question number 6. What is the job of the root cap? The answer is root cap protects the root tips as it grows through the soil. Thank you.